Hey everybody, it's Everyday Commentary. It's a Sweet Stuff Saturday. It's actually Saturday, or Sunday. So I just wanted to sort of show you what's come in here recently, talk a little bit about why I'm excited to review it, and then also give you a little shop update. Finished the clamp rack wall, so that's still going. But as you can see, I need to finish the charging station. So the charging station is going to go above the clamp rack wall. I have that. I need to get all the pieces laid out, but I have all the other pieces cut and ready to go. So shouldn't take too long, but that's probably not why you're here. You're here because I review gear. So got 4 pieces in the last couple weeks. I think all of them are interesting and exciting for one reason or another. So let's talk a little bit about what it is that we got in for review. Let's clear off all this stuff out of the way. Go through it. So the first thing that we got in for review is this knife, which is the tactile turn slip joint. It's called the Bexar, B-E-X-A-R, and it is, as you can see, this one is a clip point, and let's see if we can get the camera focus in on it. Boom, Magna Cut. This is my first piece of Magna Cut that's coming for review, though I think, quite frankly, any steel that is cut, or this stock that's this thin, that's this high ground, is going to cut like a demon. But I've been using this thing to do some food prep, and it is as good or better than anything in the kitchen. And the Magna Cut is fantastic. So kudos to Larry and Thomas. This is just a really nice steel on a really nice knife. Let me tell you, I like my tactile turn knives, or tactile knife co knives, but this one, man, is it thin. It's super duper thin. So that will be on the review table sometime soon. I'll probably get an overview out first. Another knife that came in that's relatively new. This is the Asher Nomad. It's made by Asher Knives. You can see right there. Here's the big upgrade on this one. M390. So this is the Asher Knives Nomad 3.0. It has a really nice axis lock with excellent, it's not an axis lock, it's a sliding bar lock with excellent studs here for retraction, just fantastic. This knife is very similar, as you can see, to the Bug Out. It even has the Bug Out's main problem, this thing right here, the exposed rear tang. But this is a really nice knife. It has a bearing pivot, an M390. It has sculpted G10 handles. Pocket clip's a little tight, but all of this was shipped $90. That's a really good deal. Asher Knives is a knife company out of Pittsburgh that uses Chinese OEM. This is one of the coolest CRKTs I've ever seen. This is the high-end CEO compact. As you can see, it is really, really tiny. I mean, it disappears behind my finger. I have medium-sized glove hands, and it flips like a dream. It cuts nicely, and the blade steel here is S35VN, which is an upgrade over the stock version. Another thing that's an upgrade, you can see it. This is some really nice, really nice, like chipped or swirled marble carbon fiber. It's just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and I really like this knife. Also, it's my first knife that I have that can tail stand. And then the last piece of kit is the titanium Beta QR. This one came in as a special edition, and I got the titanium pin and the titanium clip. The output, it starts in low and it goes to high with a twisty interface. This is a really nice compact little light. I'm looking forward to reviewing it. One of the things that's kind of weird is this is the first clip that I've ever had on a flashlight that was free spinning. I'm not sure if I like it yet. It's just getting used to. So I got to figure out if I like it or if I dislike it or if I'm just getting used to it. So that's all the stuff that's come in here recently. Super stoked about reviewing a lot of this stuff. By the way, this is the stuff I'm carrying for Everyday Carry today. It's my Strider PT and the titanium Beta QR. So whenever you get a chance, going over to the website, I just posted the review of the Para 3 and S45VN with the 4-screen handles. Click, like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks.